Check this out. This is the new 36 volt brushless pressure washer from Dewalt. This unit's built for the job site when you're cleaning up tools, vehicles, or messes where power's not available nearby, but also because it's self-priming, you don't necessarily need pressurized water nearby either. It will work with a bucket or a tank on site. And being 36 volt, it requires 2 Dewalt batteries to operate, but that enclosure is big enough to hold 2 15 amp hour batteries for maximum runtime. It's got 3 pressure modes, a high and a low, which is on the main switch, which is a weatherproof switch as well. And there's also a separate button. When you press that, you get 10 minutes of boost mode for some heavy duty persuasion. And at the end of that 10 minutes of boost mode, it'll revert to whatever you have that switch set to, whether that be high or low. Running at absolute full tilt, it'll produce 1,600 PSI of pressure, and it'll burn through 5.5 litres of water every minute. Now, this unit comes with a number of accessories included. There's a 6 metre pressurised hose that goes from the tool to the lance, and there's a 3 metre self-priming hose from your water source into the pump. They both transport on the front of the tool here. Now the lance assembles very easily, all the parts are stored inside, as well as the 2 nozzles to choose from. You've got a fan to pencil nozzle and a turbo nozzle as well. There's also that foaming nozzle, which is stored on the front. All the attachments are stored on the tool, all together inside that roll cage style design, so you'll keep them where you need them and you won't lose them. Now the brushless motor in this unit is driving an all aluminium pump, which ticks both the boxes of being lightweight for mobility, but also gives you durability. And speaking of mobility, you've got those big wheels on the back and that telescopic handle, so you can drag around behind you like a suitcase, no stress at all. It's a completely mobile cleaning solution, and in terms of runtime, if you're using 2 12 amp hour flex volt batteries, you can expect 63 minutes on low, 46 minutes on high of continuous runtime. It's available now at your local Sydney Tools store, or you can head online to sydneytools.com.au, and if you've got any questions, you can always hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.